In today's Bible quiz, we will test our knowledge about mountains and hills mentioned in the Bible. Once again, 20 questions are placed before you to answer in 5 minutes. Shall we start? Question 1. What is the first mountain mentioned in the Bible? Mountain of Ararat, refer Genesis 8:4. Question 2. After the flood, where did Noah's ark come to rest? Mountain of Ararat, which is also the first mountain mentioned in the Bible, refer Genesis 8:4. Question 3. On which mountain did God give Moses the Ten Commandments? Mount Sinai, refer Exodus chapter 19 and chapter 20. Question 4. On which mountain was Jesus crucified? Mount Calvary, also known as Golgotha, refer Matthew 27:33. Question 5. God asked Abraham to sacrifice his son on which mountain? Mount Moriah, refer Genesis 22:2. Question 6. Before the death of Moses, from which mountain did God show him the promised land? Mount Nebo, refer Deuteronomy chapter 34 verses 1 to 5. Question 7. From which mountain did Jesus ascend to heaven? Mount of Olives, refer Acts 1 9 to 12. Question 8. Before Jesus' death, he prayed on a certain mountain. What was it? Mount of Olives, refer Luke chapter 22 verses 39 to 46. Question 9. On which mountain did Elijah challenge the prophets of Baal? Mount Carmel, refer 1 Kings 18:16 to 20. Question 10. What is the name of the mountain where Jesus was transfigured? No name is given to this mountain. However, a number of scholars believe the transfiguration took place on Mount Hermon, and some others believe it was Mount Tabor. Question 11. On which mountain did Aaron die? Mount Hor, refer Numbers chapter 20 verses 22 to 29. Question 12. From which mountain did Moses see the burning bush? Mount Horeb, also known as Sinai, refer Exodus 3:1. Question 13. Where were Saul and his 3 sons killed by the Philistines? Mount Gilboa, refer 1 Samuel 31 1 to 6. Question 14. On which mountain was Jesus when he proclaimed to the Pharisees that if the people should keep silent, the stones would immediately cry out? Mount of Olives, refer Luke chapter 19 verse 37. Question 15. This mount was the birthplace of Samuel. What is the name of it? In the hill country of Ephraim, refer 1 Samuel 1:1. Question 16. Psalm 68:15 speaks of a mountain that is majestic and rugged. What is that mountain? Mount Bashan. Question 17. This mountain eventually became known as Jerusalem. Which one is that? Mount Zion, refer Hebrews chapter 12 verse 22. Question 18. What is the name of the mountain region that was allotted to Esau by God? Mount Seir, refer Joshua chapter 24 verse 4. Question 19. Who said this and to whom? Believe me, a time is coming when you will worship the Father neither on this mountain nor in Jerusalem. Jesus uttered these words to the Samaritan woman who came to draw water from the well. Refer John 4:20-23. Question 20 and the last question. Which prophet prophesied, "For the mountains shall depart, and the hills be removed, but my kindness shall not depart from thee, neither shall the covenant of my peace be removed, saith the Lord that hath mercy on thee"? Prophet Isaiah, refer Isaiah 54:10. We shall meet again. soon with 20 more questions and answers. May God bless you.